Hey, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the previous session, we have seen how exactly we can download the Node.js in an Android Studio and install it. And also, we have downloaded the Visual Studio Code. So, you will be finding the Visual Studio Code from your downloads. So, as it is a Mac machine, it just downloaded a DMG file. So, double tap on that particular DMG file, and it is asking you to do the same way how we have done for the Android Studio. And as and when I performed that particular chunk, so it is asking me to copy that particular information there into the applications folder. And once after we moved into there, right? So automatically the Visual Studio Code would be moved to your applications. So which means you can just once this copying is done, then directly, so then directly you can go to your applications. From this particular applications, you will be finding this Visual Studio Code. Double tap on it, and automatically the Visual Studio Code would be launched. As of course, I just want to open it. That's it. So this is a simple way how exactly we can launch this particular Visual Studio Code in a machine. Okay, install and launch a Visual Studio Code in your machine. Okay, then the next thing that we need to do here is an Xcode, guys. As said that this Xcode is precisely for our Mac machine itself. So here, what I am doing right now here is from this particular folder. So we just need to navigate to your App Store. So here, search for App Store and go to your App Store. And on this particular App Store, we just need to search for the Xcode. So here, search for Xcodes, and here you do have an Xcode here. And for me, it is giving me an option to update, whereas for you people, it will give you an option to get it. So simply click on that particular get, then it will ask you to enter your system password. It will take a couple of minutes to get this particular Xcode to your machine. So once after you get this particular Xcode to your machine, you will be finding this Xcode in your machine inside the applications itself. So search for Xcode and just launch that particular Xcode. At the very first time, whenever you are launching your Xcode, basically it will be asking you certain confirmations. Just accept it. And one more small thing that we need to consider here is whenever you are installing Xcode, right? Not only the accept and here, this kind of a confirmation pop-up is saying that, buddy, you are upgrading or you are installing this particular Xcode. With this particular Xcode, you were able to use this Mac OS as a 26.5 and the iOS version as a 26.5 and Mac Watch OS basically 26.5. And if at all you want a TV Vision OS, you can select all those things. I'm just leaving the Mac OS and the iOS and as well as the Watch OS, all these things. And I'm clicking download and an install button. As and when I clicked on a download and an install button, it will take a few minutes basically to complete the installation of this complete X code along with the operating systems and, the softwares, whatever we have asked for. It will take some time, guys, roughly 15 to 20 minutes or depending on my connectivity speed. It will take some time and then it will install the necessary things. So if you see basically the watch OS is being installed as of now, the iOS is being installed. So one after another, it will install it. Okay. But it will take us some time to complete the installation. Once the installation is successful, it will show here. Okay, that will be running in the background. You can still utilize it. As of now, we are not going to use anything, so let that process complete. Okay, let that process complete from your end. So I'm not waiting till then. Basically, I will just take a pause here so that you guys can complete that installation from your end. Consider that you are encountering any issues at the time of installation, feel free to drop me an email so that I can happy to help you out. Okay, perfectly all right. Let's take a break. See you again in this lecture. Thank you.